Someone's stupid. You are stupid. Those are my reading glasses. We're recording. Die. You hit the button. I know, I forgot. I thought it was... Yeah. Hi. Hi. And Phil says hi too, so yeah, that's a good thing. Phil didn't say hi. Show him the phone. That's Phil. He's inside the phone. Oops. I guess today on the Megan and Aaron show, we're going to read you a story. Let me get my sheet. We're going to read you a story. I'm going to listen. I'm going to get my reading glasses on. You do that, buddy. Are they on? Do they look good? Alright, we're going to read the story about the lady in this picture. Her name is going to be, what are we going to name her? Carmen Electra. No, she's going to have a different name than that. I mean, that's too common. Her name's going to be Francesca. This is Francesca. I can't even say it. You have every girl in here, dude. This is Franny. Right here, that's Franny. And she met this guy named Dorcas Todd. This is Todd. Okay, he's got a cool ass freaking camera. Okay, right there. I don't know if you can see it, but he's got a camera. It's pretty dang cool. Yeah, we got everything on here. And then the guy that he met had a girlfriend. And her name is Ron. Charlie. Ron. Her name's Ron. And this is Charlie. And so Ron and Charlie and the guy and the dude met a rapist named this dude. Do you see the rapist? Turn it down. I'm trying to tell a story. Did you all see the rapist? Did they see the rapist? I don't know if they see the rapist. That's the rapist. Everyone, right there. Right there. Yeah, right there. That's the rapist. Yeah, they met him. And put on that makeup. And went to that store. And ate that burger. Yeah, they were hungry, so they ate burgers. And look, hey, there's the girl again. Yeah, she put on that thing right there, whatever that is, that little fluffy thing. And that lip gloss, she stole that girl's lip. It was tragic, cool. And turned into this girl. We're gonna name her Demi Lovato. Yeah, turned into her. And stole that girl's clothes. So now she's wearing a bathing suit. Is that a bathing suit? I think so. That would be a bathing suit. I wouldn't want to go out in something like that. Okay, they're all the same people. Get to the good stuff. And fell asleep with the rapist. Fell asleep. And had a baby. Yeah. And ate a wedding dress. Ate a wedding dress? They were hungry. And became sexaholics. Let's skip to the part where they... Tell them to smell that. Sniff that. Smell it. It smells really good. I mean... It's Dolce & Gabbana. Yeah, totally. And the rapist raped that girl right there. It was amazing. I watched the whole thing. On the diamond. On this. And then they met all these people and ran away crying. Because they had a dead zone. And they grabbed their underwear. And walked through the woods. Trying to look pretty, but didn't really work. And, oh my gosh! Met a tiger! And then a bull died! The camera. And had a lot of stinky shoes, so they needed to buy whatever that is. It's not about stinky shoes, it's about being comfortable while walking. Oh, well, their feet were still stinky, because they walked a lot. And they had really bad eyesight. It was dry eyes. So, when your eyes are dry, you can't see very well. And they fell in love with KY jelly muffins. And this person tried to, that girl right there, tried to rape that guy right there. See, look, she's trying to take off the towel. How dare, why do you have two wood things in here, by the way? I've never known this. Well, one was made by my biological dad, and for me, and then one was made for Lauren, but I wanted to close the door, so it went, girly bra! That is so bad for children. And then they thought you had to be 68 or older to watch this video. And yeah, I mean, read the story. And look, they met carrots and put deodorant on them. Thanks for butter! No sweat! And no, don't say anything about that crap. Why? It's Nicorette. What is that? It's a guy with a surfboard. Congratulations, guy with a surfboard. And you get to fall asleep on a pad tonight. Are you excited? I'm excited. Let's be excited together. Like kid. That's so creepy. A kitty from Tickle! Oh, and cat has the feet. The end. Say hello to Hello Kitty, 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 Kitty. Wonder how long this video is. Take a look at my mirror for a second.